Hello YouTube, this is MWG coming at you with my second official video. I'm gonna make this one just me, in my car, testing my sub. It's the first time I'm ever hearing it, man. I popped in my Yelawolf CD, so hopefully, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Damn, you heard that. I know you heard that. Let's see. Show you exactly what I'm listening to. Well, YouTube, that's it for me. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.